Hello and welcome to the Gen D podcast. इस podcast में basically we will be talking about Gen Z के problems and how with each passing day we are getting dumber. इस podcast में there is going to be no logic. इस podcast में there is going to be no filters. The only thing we are bringing to this table are only vibes. So I am Kahaf Siddiqui. I'm your main host and this is my co-host Alishpa. Hello Alishpa.
Hello. So, I'm going to introduce you to our guest, Mohammad Ibrahim, who is a fellow Gen Z. So, hello, Ibrahim.
Hi guys.
How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Okay, so Ibrahim, how much of a Gen Z are you?
I feel like I'm not much of a Gen Z to be.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I'll put myself at a 4.
At a 4. For what reasons?
I feel like I'm not very up to date with trends, not a very generally social person.
Yeah.
I quite like my own time and I'm not very up to date on trends and like memes and all. I'm pretty
So, are you on Instagram?
Yeah, I am on Instagram. Of course.
So, how much do you use Instagram?
How much do I use? At this right now, as of right now, I have this app that helps me control my usage
Screen
of Instagram.
time?
Opal. I use Opal. It's a really cool app.
Does it?
It like basically restricts your Instagram use. So whenever I'm in uni, I'm not using Instagram and like an hour a day, I guess.
So, even between classes, you're not using any
Nah,
Instagram?
Reddit.
You're not. Oh, I love
Yeah.
Reddit. But that's a different
Yeah.
different topic. So, basically, you don't watch any short form content. Just reels ho gayi, YouTube shorts.
Yeah, of course. I watch short form content all the time, but like
But like ऐसे brain rot के level पे do you watch reels?
I watch like my friends supply me a good amount of brain
But you
rot.
don't. Like जैसे for example हम लोग बैठे होते हैं ना, like रात को सोने से पहले we are
हाँ.
like let's just scroll through reels. But हमें नींद नहीं
No,
आती
I
होती.
wouldn't. I'm
Is
not.
that a thing with you?
I wouldn't do that.
It's not. So I
I'm
feel
sorry
like
to disappoint.
this is like a very different Gen Z thing I have heard. क्योंकि personally जितना मैंने देखा है ना Gen Z को, bro हम लोग मैं अपनी बात करूँ, अलिशा मैं तुम्हारी बात if I'm talking for you, तो हम लोग
You literally
बहुत
are.
ज़्यादा short form. Like my screen time for Instagram is जिन दिनों में मुझे off होता है ना कि like I have no classes, it goes up to 13-14 hours.
That is
ऊपर.
crazy.
Same.
That is great. Are
Exactly.
you sure
That
about
is
that?
crazy and that
That
is not
doesn't even
normal.
make sense. 14 hours.
14 hours and that also includes कि if you're watching any
No, that's very
TV
sad, you
shows
know.
and like we're watching like reels
It's quite sad.
background
I'm
में.
sorry.
Like do you not watch reels when you eat food?
No, I watch
You don't
YouTube videos.
watch any YouTube
Yeah, I watch
videos
YouTube
when you.
videos. Reels are different. Short form content. I watch
Okay,
it.
so are you like excited for the YouTube videos?
Yeah.
कि उसके बिना you can't eat.
Yeah, of course. Of course. I'm
Because this is
normal.
like a
I'm normal.
very-
I'm normal.
You are normal but not at the level where majority of the Gen Z are right now.
I guess.
Do you feel like कि बहुत issues होते हैं in your concentration and your focus overall?
I feel like yes. Again, as I said, Instagram, it had become a problem. Again, not as bad as you guys. Come on, that's just sad. 14
Yeah, that's
hours
just
is
sad.
crazy. I think I was at max. I was hitting like 4 hours, and at that point, I was like, no, this is very sad. Like this is like bad.
Okay, 4 hours
So,
is nothing for us.
what made you come back?
I thought about like where am I putting all of this energy? All of this. If I have like again, I like to make things. Creative stuff and all that. I was like, I'm not putting enough effort into it. Yes, Instagram is good for like inspiration and all, but like how much can you consume? Like kabhi kabhar consume karte karte you're like, okay, I'm not making anything, I'm just consuming.
Yeah,
I give myself this thought process कि नहीं you know what, I'm getting inspired तो मैं इसलिए use कर रहा हूँ
buy
Instagram.
something. हाँ.
And that's why मैं बस सीख रहा हूँ मैं सीख रहा हूँ और I'm like getting inspired, but that I think stopped me from creating anything.
So basically, you're not that far down the rabbit hole. जितना आजकल majority of the Gen Z are.
I guess in that way you could say that, but I'm messed up in other ways.
Okay, so that's a very different topic
No,
right
like
now.
yeah, okay, sure.
That's a very
sure,
different
sure.
topic. But I feel like कि overall focus और concentration की बात करें ना, तो अगर मैं अपनी बात भी करूँ and for like speaking for majority of Gen Z, हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा reels consume कर रहे हैं कि we have stopped watching movies. Even though हम लोग media students हैं, but the amount of movies we watch, अगर हम लोग एक महीने की भी बात करें ना, we should be watching a lot of content, but we don't. और हम लोग like constantly अपना time ना जब reels पे and honestly I feel like कि मेरी creativity तो इसकी वजह से बिल्कुल
अच्छा,
बंद हो गई है.
I have a question for you guys. Like you guys said that you guys should be watching movies. Why is watching reels bad though?
Watching reels is bad. Okay, so
Because like most of the content we consume वो कुछ मतलब हमें कुछ भी उससे benefit नहीं होता वो सिर्फ like brain rot content है वो.
Brain rot is what makes you say कि oh ये content, like again entertainment is subjective. वो वाली बात है।
What kind of entertainment? हम लोग जो रील्स देखते हैं
Every
वो
type art is subjective. आप कुछ कह ही नहीं सकते ये सही है गलत।
बट हमें कुछ भी बेनिफिट नहीं मिल
How?
रहा ना उससे।
भाई हमें कुछ भी बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा। व्हेन आई से कि रील्स, अगर आप लोग रिसर्च और स्टडीज़ भी देखें ना, रील्स डू हैव एन इफेक्ट ऑन योर माइंड। अगर आप 10 सेकंड की रील देख रहे हैं, हम लोग एक रील नहीं देख रहे फॉर इंस्पिरेशन, ठीक है? ब्रेन वॉट कंटेंट की बात करें, हम लोग 3-3 घंटे बैठे होते हैं
सही।
वहाँ पे कॉन्स्टेंटली वॉचिंग
So
रील्स,
does that
एंड दैट्स अ वेरी
do you
डिफरेंट।
guys not think you should use it as your advantage? कि अच्छा say if I'm watching like short form content, might as well like learn from it and like use that. I feel like again short form content is in itself एक अपना art है. Or it's
हाँ।
I feel like it's cool. I can't make that shit. I can't make like what was
Yeah,
that
same.
Bombadillo shit? I don't know. I'm very dumb for that. Like
अच्छा, even I personally I prefer to make long form
yeah,
content.
me too.
I would make a short film, but I can't make a reel to save my life. I can't. मुझसे कोई रील बनवाएगा ना, मैं रोने
I
बैठ
feel like I
जाऊंगी।
can make a reel, but then again, it wouldn't be, let's say,
As interesting?
no, as like it would. Again, I like to pack a lot of things in like a small package, and I feel like people who are consuming reels, I think, are usually casual viewers. जो मतलब ज़्यादा देखते नहीं हैं. They don't care about the details and all.
But exactly like you answered your own question at this point.
Yeah,
कि majority of them are casual
Yeah, but I
viewers.
need to learn from that, na, as a creator. के oh, what can I use to
I-
package my
No,
product
देखिए,
better?
No one is saying कि reels inherently बुरी
सही
होती
है.
हैं, कि भाई reels में content ऐसे
सही
आ
है.
रहा है, ठीक है, जो भी content है, but
So overconsumption is the
excessively
problem.
consuming them,
Overconsumption is the problem.
overconsumption at this point, I think overall Gen Z ना, they have lost the art of having slow moments. हमारी लाइफ में अच्छा पता है, इंस्टाग्राम पे ऐसे रील्स आ रहे होते हैं, ऐसे कंटेंट आ रहा है, पीपल आर पोस्टिंग वीडियोस एंड रील्स के ऐसे नहीं, जो वो आते हैं मोन्टाज होते हैं बेसिकली, कि सनसेट आ रहा है तो फिर स्लो विंड आ रही है एंड दे आर लाइक स्लो, बट आपने वो चीज़ एंजॉय नहीं की है बैठ के, यू मेड अ वीडियो एट दैट पॉइंट,
But
आप अपना फोन रख के उस चीज़ को एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हैं।
so you're saying live in the moment.
Live in the moment, and also कि I know a lot of people who are like, अगर even if they are sitting with friends, they're constantly on their phone.
Yeah, that's just disrespectful.
And like
I
just
feel like
watching
that's just very disrespectful. Being
reels.
on your phone when somebody's talking to you.
तो is it not like a problem for Gen Z? And ये majority Gen Z में होता है, not millennials, not with.
मतलब कि यहाँ तक के जो millennials हैं वो actually like बुरा मानते हैं कि like why are you on your phone? So this is
Yeah,
like
I feel like
an
I
us
respect
problem.
them. I get where they're coming from. Again,
Yeah.
when you're
same.
sitting down, you need to be talking. Like, imagine if you guys were taking a podcast, I'd be like, हाँ सही है बोलो.
हाँ,
That'd be
like
very
obviously
disrespectful.
it's like
I feel like
आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि दूसरे बंदा आपकी बात
yeah,
सुन भी नहीं रहा,
respect.
like they're just
I
ignoring
believe
it.
like a conversation, it's a two-way bridge. और आपने respect करना होता है both parties को. तो yeah, I feel like yeah, you guys are right on that one.
आई थिंक ये बेसिकली मेरे हिसाब से तो ये जो एक्सेस में हमारे पास कंटेंट आ गया है ना शॉर्ट फॉर्म, क्योंकि आई रिमेंबर इवन 5 साल पहले प्री कोविड इतना ज़्यादा नहीं था रील्स का। आई थिंक इंस्टाग्राम ने रील्स इंट्रोड्यूस ही 4 साल पहले की है ना,
So yeah, something like
जितना
that.
एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर। इफ एनी ऑफ यू रिमेंबर प्री कोविड हम सब लोग इतना यूज नहीं करते थे,
Our
फोन
phones?
भी
Nah,
इंस्टाग्राम
I
भी।
wouldn't say so.
No, phone, okay, yes,
Maybe
but
yes,
like
but-
reels or your short content, I don't think so. Like
तो था
हम
भी
लोग
नहीं
उससे
ना.
ज़्यादा
That's like
YouTube
saying
videos and all.
Yeah.
We had like Musical.ly and all of that, तो इतना common नहीं था, but like to an extent.
But like,
Musically
we
was
don't even
better.
watch TV shows। अब TV shows भी हम लोग binge watch नहीं कर पा रहे होते।
I
I
cannot.
can.
I cannot.
I have been watching
But-
shows
But
around.
would you say कि is it because आपके you are controlling your screen time and how much you consume?
A part of me thinks that, but I believe so. वो interest की बात होती है. At the end of the day, I'd rather watch like I don't know, like a 50-minute video essay from a YouTuber. Most of the
Yeah.
YouTubers that I watch, उनकी general video का जो time होता है is like 3 to 4 hours. Like
Okay.
most videos I've watched, I think the longest YouTube video I've watched was like for what 8 hours. I loved that. It's beautiful. It was a good.
So as a Gen Z, I am really traumatized. Yeah.
How?
By
How?
hearing this.
It's good. Engage.
It's good because I don't disagree with your point of view कि it's not good.
Hmm.
Like I am not traumatized by the fact
अच्छा
कि
मैंने
वो
again
8
to
घंटे की
just
वीडियो।
clear that out. 9 घंटे straight नहीं. Okay, it is
No,
a
of
single
course we
video.
take
I took my
breaks.
breaks.
But मतलब अगर overall speaking ना, कि अगर मतलब कि I am not traumatized by the fact that you watch 8 hours का
It was
content.
beautiful.
I am traumatized by
You
the
guys
fact कि
should
हम
watch
लोग
it. Shout out to Pyrocynical. YouTuber है.
Which
लोग
one?
देख लेंगे.
Okay.
If anybody's
Okay,
watching
I'll
this.
just add in the link, guys. Please go and watch this as
Pyrocynical.
well.
Yeah, sure. Check them out.
लेकिन आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड बाय द फैक्ट कि जो हम लोग जो मेजॉरिटी है ना, अगर आप किसी से भी बात करो, दे आर नॉट वाचिंग एनी 8 घंटे की वीडियो, ठीक है,
Worse.
भले गैप्स लेके भी, बट दे आर नॉट वाचिंग
Yeah.
एनी ऑफ दिस।
I
एंड
can't even watch it like a 50-minute episode. I'm just like, आधे पे मैं reels देखना
Yeah.
शुरू हो
एक
जाती
मिनट,
है, I'm like,
I have a
can't.
question. Like, what makes you go to reels? देखो, as you said, you start a video, सही है. and you're like, okay, I'm watching this. What makes you go, okay, yeah, you know what, let me turn this on? Is it like the project, like the thing itself that makes you go, okay, yeah, this is getting boring, or like it's
No, but then अच्छा. So I recently started a show and it's very interesting. Like मुझे देखना होता है, लेकिन I don't know. I just
which
feel like
show?
I would
Which
rather
show?
like prefer the Royals.
Damn, that's
Okay, don't
sad.
judge me. It's
That's
okay.
sad.
But then I was like, no, मतलब बहुत अच्छा show है, पर मैंने अभी तक
I would
complete नहीं
not
किया.
agree.
Even though it has like 8 episodes, but I can't watch it. So I'm just like, man, I'd rather watch reels.
You can't watch it again. Why?
I don't know. That is the main issue. Like it's very interesting, but I can't watch it.
Okay, so for me, personally speaking, why I go for reels is कि अच्छा, if I am going for reels, I don't have to think a lot. I'm just like, okay, सही है, ठीक है, scroll. ठीक है, सही है, scroll. Like मैं अपना
So
कोई
you like
दिमाग
to like
इस्तेमाल नहीं
have
कर.
your
If I'm watching a movie, I am actively thinking कि अच्छा ये lighting है, ये कैसे हुई है, ये camera work is so nice.
so
How
you're
did this
taking
happen?
out the fun out of the movie now. Do you not think?
I think for as media students, no. I think एक point पे हमारा दिमाग थोड़ा सा ऐसे हो गया है कि हम लोग ये
नहीं,
judge कर
I
लेते हैं.
get that too.
We
As
watch
a
movies
guy
for the
who
fun of
produces
it.
music, ज़ाहिर सी बात है, when I
Yeah,
hear like a song,
yeah.
तो मैं ये नहीं सुन रहा था कि okay, what's the guy saying? I'm like, oh, ये कौन सा like treble है or whatever he's using, क्या drum set है. But I feel like I've learned to control that part of me and to just enjoy something. Okay, but you know what? Like, just let me turn off my brain. I think you can do that with like थोड़ी सी training. You know, just have a perspective. Okay, when I'm going into this, I don't want to think about anything except the fact that बस.
But that's what the majority of Gen Z does with reels.
Yeah, it's sad.
Short form content.
Damn.
Like जैसे you do with movies, they don't. उनके लिए movies is like because they have to sit there with their thoughts and they are like, oh हम लोग इतना लंबा नहीं देख सकते. आप अपने brain को overstimulate कर रहे हो. And a majority of people, myself included, like I am very overstimulated by reels. मैं 3-4 घंटे बैठ के देखती हूँ. And why would I lie about it? Like I do watch reels
Mashallah,
बहुत
से
ज़्यादा.
I'm a proud reel
3-4
watcher.
घंटे I watch the stupidest reels.
I
कुछ भी नहीं
watch
होता
the most
उसके
stupid
अंदर.
reels. It's fine. Then
But
again, you need to
3-4
learn to like be
hours.
like, अच्छा हाँ ये ठीक है, but like you know, this is like taking over a part of my
Are you
life.
overstimulated because of
Yes.
it? How much?
I'm pretty overstimulated. I feel like this past month has been very overstimulating for me. I feel like I am going crazy slowly, but it's I guess it's, you know, it's whatever. But 20.
Is it because of the content you consume or
No,
in
in general, life is it's scary.
I think this is just like a Gen Z problem at
हाँ,
this point.
okay,
Okay,
we're all
overall life से we are
very
like
retarded, yeah.
we all yeah of course
We're
we
very
are.
dumb.
And we are all overly overstimulated all the
हाँ,
time.
I've-
मतलब अभी I don't think are you not like कोई भी normal ऐसे बोल सकता है कि no we are in the moment we are enjoying
Nah,
life is good.
I feel like I need to learn. This is the one thing that I want to learn this year, to be in the moment. Okay, nahi, I don't want to be like I feel like I was at a certain time this year.
Pre-COVID?
No. This year, I was very like
Okay.
healthy until you know things. I was very healthy. I was doing great. Alhamdulillah. I was working on my project. सब कुछ set चल रहा था. And then you know things came up. Life became busy. Alhamdulillah. I'm very happy about it. You know, I have things to do. People do not have things to do. I have things to do. I have you know money to make and all that. So, but it is yes overstimulating in that way. So I feel
A
like
different
everybody
kind
is
of overstimulated.
these days. Yeah.
But you feel like अच्छा एक तो जो life aspect है हमारे पास and on top of that हम लोग अपने आप को numb down करने के लिए फिर content पे भी आ जाते हैं. And then it just get mixed up. Okay, you know, a lot of people are like, we don't want to deal with this shit going on in our lives. We would just open Instagram and go through the stuff. ताकि
I wish I could do that. To be honest, like you know, sometimes I wish people say, okay, you know, they go down numb through shit. I have never been able to do that. I feel like I feel a lot, and it's a good thing and a bad thing.
it's a good
No,
thing.
it's not. Trust me. Trust me. But then again, we're both talking from opposites.
Yeah,
हम polars
our
से बात कर रहे हैं,
perspective.
तो like ये बात ना तुम्हारी बात सही है, वही बात है ना मेरी
ना
बात
मेरी।
सही है कि हम दोनों polars पे खड़े हैं कि हाँ भाई बिल्कुल feel करना बिल्कुल मैं as I would be, you know, I envy you guys to not feel anything. I wish I could do that sometimes, but it's whatever, you know, कि भाई हाँ feel कभी कभार होता है कि you know you resort to content. I usually resort to I feel like work. Just like creative outlet koi like let me make some music, let me just work on this.
But that's a very healthy thing to do.
It is
It
but
is.
like, yeah, it's a double-edged sword because like sometimes I'm like oh shit, you know, my trauma or not trauma, I don't want to be that guy. Oh trauma mera.
Okay. I think you clearly have some trauma.
nahi, I'm
Some
good,
trauma like
alhamdulillah. I don't want to talk about it.
Okay, sure.
Not here, you know. It's this is a public space. I don't want to be like, यार मेरा trauma यार. I don't want to be that guy.
But you know, Gen Z, हम लोग बहुत करते हैं ये चीज़ कि we are traumatized. You guys are not
I
like
think we cry a lot. We cry for
about the mental health.
yeah. पता है क्या? हमने सर पे चढ़ा लिया है mental health को. I feel like पता है क्या? The problem with us is कि हम लोगों ने mental health का वो लगा के ना कि हाँ I get it. Mental health is ज़रूरी. As I said, मैं
Yeah.
पागल नहीं हूँ जो ओपल बंद करके अपना फ़ोन वो करके बैठा है. Mental health is very ज़रूरी. But at the end of the day, I feel like हम लोगों ने ना mental health को बहुत ज़्यादा ना prioritize कर दिया to the point कि it has become जिसे कहते हैं ना a block in our growth. कि let's say we don't like mostly मैंने लोगों को देखा है, you know, mental health is not going to therapy and yeah it is, but like not doing things you like or being in the moment, you know, all that ayahuasca
Yeah.
bullshit. I don't like that. I feel like mental health can be fixed in other ways, you know. आप बहुत सारी practices हैं. आप like you can go to the gym for your mental health, you know.
It
Yeah,
definitely
these
helps.
things help. I feel like we only go for नहीं यार मैं therapy लेके Xanax खा के चुप हो जाता हूँ, and that's a bad.
I think therapy वाला to some extent, but not
I feel
इतना
like
ज़्यादा.
therapy
Like
is
I
overrated.
wouldn't agree इतना
Do I
ज़्यादा.
sound anti-vax?
Okay, so this is like अच्छा guys, I think कि थोड़ा सा आम या बीप लगा देंगे यहाँ पे. But no, I'm
नहीं
just joking. It's completely valid to have your like you know your own opinion.
नहीं, I like therapy. Again, I have taken therapy, but I say it's overrated. As I said, not that it's not
Hmm.
helpful or anything, but I feel like it's very overrated. We
अच्छा,
need to
what
find other
would you
outlets.
say कि जितने भी Gen Z के mental health के issues
Hmm.
हैं, where do they come from?
I feel like we don't do self work on ourselves. कि we don't self reflect. कि मैं कहाँ खड़ा हूँ as a person, मुझे पता ही क्या है. And I feel like we get into this वो कि मुझे नहीं पता तो खैर है. Like we trust our surroundings a lot. कि नहीं इन तो उनको तो पता है ना, मतलब इसको तो पता ही होगा भाई. We trust each other a lot. I feel like we don't trust ourselves enough to be like, you know what, let's be critical of my own thoughts. Let's ask questions. And, you know, be, जिसे कहते हैं ना, be present in myself enough कि I can answer my own questions, you know, do my own
Do you
research.
feel like कि
Like,
ये इस तरह से भी we can put it कि Gen Z अपने आप को ना they think कि they are bigger than life. अपने problems को, अपने आप को, अपनी mental health को, overall को ना हम लोग बहुत ऐसे importance दे रहे होते हैं कि like you know there are things which are bigger than us. If a person जो कि constantly overstimulated state में है, they are not even present in their own body, in their own mind, I don't think कि उनके लिए इतना easy होगा.
again, as I said, I have never said, you know, during the whole exposition, कि भाई, it's gonna be easy. It's never easy to grow. You know, growth is hurtful. आप सीखते हो, आपको पता चलता है अच्छा ये बंड मारा है मैंने, अच्छा ये ऑफ है, ये ऑफ है, ये ऑफ है. You need to learn from yourself. और जैसी बात है, growth takes time. Okay, अच्छा sorry. Growth takes time and these things have their, जैसे कहते हैं ना, it's harsher. पर उसके बाद वही बात आ जाती है ना कि is it like it is worth it क्योंकि it is hard. You know what I mean? Like it's worth it because it's hard. Like मुश्किल है तभी तो like फिर growth का फिर आसानी सब growth का दिमागी enlightenment हो जाए सबकी. Freud भाई खुश हो जाए. Freud, whatever the guy's name is, I don't know man. I'm a BBA student, I should know. Freud, yeah. तो वही वाली बात है कि not everybody can get enlightenment. It's a long road. Take your time. Like you know, Allah Taala again. अच्छा I don't believe in के सब लोगों को एक ही जैसा. एज आई सेड, सबकी एक लिमिट होती है. तो अगर लेट्स से आई हिट माई टो, मुझे एक लेवल का दर्द होगा, सही है, पर वो जो दर्द मेरा दर्द है, हो सकता है मुझे ज़्यादा फील होता है. इफ़ यू हिट योर टो यू वुडंट फील एज मच. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन? तो सबका लेवल ऑफ वो टॉलरेंस भी अलग है ना. तो उसी के हिसाब से वी ऑल हैव आवर जर्नी. सो वी कांट पुट अ स्केल ऑन इट कि यार ये अगर ये आप कर रहे हो ना तो ये तो होना ही चाहिए. इट्स देयर ओन जर्नी. टेक योर टाइम. यू
Yeah,
नो, यू ऑलवेज हैव
definitely.
टू बी प्रेजेंट विद इट कि नहीं यार मैंने करना है. यू जस्ट ट्राई इज व्हाट आई से.
Okay, so what do you think कि Gen Z को ये जो अपनी cycle break करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? Like one advice you would like to give them?
Okay.
Just, you know, like let your nuts hang, be chill about things, take your time with things, or bus, you know, use your strong suits, अपने special whatever you have, you know, creative, वैसे work on that, be more productive, have that mindset, and just keep trying. Bas, that's it.
Okay, Ibrahim, so thank you for coming and joining us.
Thank you. Pleasure's all mine.
Guys, this podcast is now available on Spotify, Apple Podcast, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you, and
Bye.
see you guys. Bye.